Hey, what's going on everyone? The Redmi Note 11 was tipped to launch as the Redmi Note 11T 5G in India not long ago. Now we have some sources stating the launch date of the same. So in this video we are going to talk about all the details you got to know so far about the Redmi Note 11T 5G, like the launch date, the specs, etc. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we want to tell you something important. Almost 99% of you watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. Redmi Note 11T 5G India launch is a few days away. But ahead of its formal announcement, Redmi parent Xiaomi has teased the specifications of the Redmi Note 11T 5G. Xiaomi India Managing Director and Global Vice President Manukumar Jain on Monday tweeted to highlight that Redmi Note 11T 5G will be the first phone to come with 6nm chipset. Although the exact details are yet to be announced, but if we believe some recent rumors, the chip could be the MediaTek Dimensity 810. Redmi India also announced that it conducted 5G trials for the Redmi Note 11T 5G by tying up with Reliance Jio. Jain tweeted to emphasize on the presence of a MediaTek Dimensity SoC on the Redmi Note 11T 5G. He also claimed that the new model will be Redmi's fastest 5G phone. The Redmi Note 11T 5G is speculated to be an Indian version of the regular Redmi Note 11 that was launched in China last month. It is therefore likely that the new phone will have MediaTek Dimensity 810 SoC that is also powering the Redmi Note 11. Alongside Xiaomi, Amazon has also started teasing the Redmi Note 11T 5G launch in India through a dedicated microsite. This indicates the availability of the new Redmi phone through the online marketplace in addition to Mi.com. The company said to verify the capability and performance of their upcoming device, the two companies conducted a 5G standalone lab trial and tested the device through various scenarios, thereby ensuring enhanced 5G end-user experiences. The Redmi Note 11T 5G is confirmed to have 7 bands. You can see them on the screen right now. However, exact performance results of the phone are yet to be revealed. A reliable tipster has also given out a release date for the same as well, which has been set for November 30th. Ishan Agarwal via 91 Mobiles has also confirmed some key specifications of the device, and the phone appears more or less identical to Redmi Note 11. Now let's talk about the specs of the device. The Redmi Note 11T 5G will be powered by the Dimensity 810 chip from MediaTek. This octa-core processor is clocked at max of 2.4 GHz and has been fabricated using the 6nm process. The chip will be paired with up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The device will be available in multiple configurations, namely 6 GB plus 64 GB, 6 GB plus 128 GB and 8 GB plus 128 GB. As for the display, the Redmi Note 11T 5G will sport a 6.6-inch FHD Plus panel with 2400 by 1080p resolution, 90Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The camera setup of this device at the rear comprises a 50MP f1.8 aperture paired with a 8MP ultra-wide camera. Up front, there is a 16MP sensor. All of it is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. There hasn't been any indication as what to expect with regards to the price, but it's reasonable to assume that it will be in the line with the Redmi Note 10T 5G's price tag. As for the color options, the Redmi Note 11T 5G will come in 3 color options: matte black, stardust white and aquamarine blue. So that is all for today's video. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button. For more smartphone news like this, please subscribe to Phone Politics. Share this video with your friends and family. Our social media links are in the description. You can follow us from there. See you all in the next video. Peace out.